Good morning, guys, welcome back. So today, working on the AU again. I've got a few jobs I want to try and get done today while I've got some time. Clean this up a bit. Today I've got my oil cooler turned up. eBay special, I think it was about $30 was the cooler, some lines, clamps and fittings. And it actually mounts with these plastic cable ties. They just go through the actual radiator. So yeah, going to fit that up today. Got some more fluid to top her up. And I just got an extra barb. I think I'm going to need two to use some of the existing lines as well. We're also going to fit up a front tow hook and give the cooling system a flush and put in the racing coolant. Oh wow, that was a bigger job than I thought it would be. 20-year-old plastic quick clips. Oh, nothing worse. We got them now though. Hey guys, good morning. It's a new day. Yesterday, hooking up the oil line, ran out of hose. I was an inch short, you know, life story. But we're all done now. And this is what we've got. So, I used the existing mounts for the old oil cooler and just bracketed it off from there. I've just run it, bled the line. But, hopefully that'll stop it from boiling over on the track. But yeah, and there's our strap from yesterday. Yeah, bumper back on and job done for the day. So alright guys, I'm just warming the car up now before I do the radiator flush. Alright guys, while that is happening, we are gonna mount up tow strap. So, I've done my due diligence and looked on Google for 5 minutes. I have seen a lot of people recommending mounting them on this crush bar, and I think that's probably pretty fucking stupid. I am gonna go ahead with mounting it on the driver's side chassis rail. There's a hole in the front here, so to get away with this fold here, I'm gonna mount it on the inside so she comes out like that. In my head, that part of the chassis rail is a lot safer than this crush bar here. Probably just first time someone tows me out of somewhere, it's just going to pull the crush bar off. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to start by drilling a hole. All right. There we go. Okay. At a later time, we got to trim up a hole in the bumper, so that'll come through. Just don't want to rip the bumper off, you know. Probably just trim this little piece here out. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'll just trim that little triangle out there. Should be perfect. Alright. And just a mock-up of the front bar with the toe strap. Just a little bit of movement if they're pulling, at least it's not going to rip the bumper off. So, job done. Alright guys, if you've made it this far, thanks very much for watching. I appreciate your views. If you want to see more of this content, give me a subscribe. Chuck a comment down what you want to see me do to the Falcon. I've got a steering wheel boss kit on the way. Freight's a bit rooted at the moment with all the flooding down in Brisbane, but got 2 weeks to go till the drift school. Hopefully it shows up in time and we'll get that all fitted up, ready to go. Thanks guys.